Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be talking about the benefits of papaya leaves, the continuation. I did a part 1 on the benefits of dry papaya leaves and how to use it. So today's video is the continuation of it, the part 2 of it, the benefits of fresh papaya leaves, and also the benefit of the yellowish color, the yellow papaya leaves. Yeah, these two leaves, they all have their own health benefits. So that's the purpose of today's video. So let's start with the fresh papaya leaves. If you're having high blood sugar level, it helps regulate the juice. It helps regulate high blood sugar levels, and it is also beneficial with people with diabetes. So if you're having diabetes and you're looking for a natural remedy to control your diabetes or your blood sugar level, yeah, then you need to start taking this fresh papaya leaf juice. It is very, very effective. And the second benefit is that it helps with weak erection and quick ejaculation, and it also enhances libido in men. Yeah, this fresh papaya leaves juice, it helps enhance libido in men. So if you're having any issue with weak erection, all you need is this fresh papaya leaves, and also you need a ginger. Yeah, you need a ginger. Yes, see, you need a ginger, these two things. Okay, how to go about it, how to prepare it for weak erection if you're having this issue now. What they are going to do is to get your fresh papaya leaves. After getting your fresh papaya leaves, the next thing you'll be needing is your ginger. Yeah, your ginger. And how to go about it is that you peel off the outer skin of this ginger, depending on the quantity of your papaya leaf tea, the quantity of the papaya leaves that you are preparing. This one is kind of large. This one is kind of large. So if you have this like three of these, you are going to add like 2 liters of water to it. 2 liters of water. Then ginger. You're not going to use all of this. This is too much. Yeah, so you take it moderately. Get your ginger, get your fresh papaya leaves. Yeah, get your fresh papaya leaves. And the next thing you are going to do is that you peel off the outer skin of this ginger. Peel off the outer skin of the ginger. Then after that, you are going to boil it. You are going to boil your fresh papaya leaves. Then add your ginger to it. Add your ginger to it and boil it. Once your tea is warm, then you take 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup before going to bed. You have to be consistent. Yeah. Then for the blood sugar, how to control your blood sugar using fresh papaya leaves is that get your fresh papaya leaves. Then if you are blending just to consume it at that moment, please, this is too much for 1 cup of water. Just get something like this. Let me show you so that you will not take it excess. You not take it excess. This like this. Okay. This can go for 1 cup of water to for people with diabetes. If you're having issue with blood sugar level, if your blood sugar level is high and you want to reduce it, or you want to control your diabetes, this is okay for 1 cup of water. Not all these. No, not all these. This is okay for 1 cup of water. Just add 1 cup of water to it. Blend it with your blender. Or if you don't have blender, you can crush it. Just crush it very well. Then extract the juice. Add water to it and take it. Take first thing in the morning and before going to bed. You can also use this fresh papaya leaves for hair growth, dandruff. If you're having issues with dandruff, what they are going to do is to get these fresh papaya leaves. They are going to wash it very well. After washing it, you are going to extract it. Then after that, make it to be a paste. Then apply it on your hair. You can use it, apply it on your hair. Then after some minutes, 30 minutes or more, 30 to 45 minutes, after that, you are going to wash it off. Then that's all. You are good to go for dandruff. Make sure you apply it directly on your scalp. Apply it directly on your scalp. Make a paste with it. For hair growth and for dandruff, make a paste with it and apply it directly on your scalp. then leave it for like 45 minutes and more if you can leave it. Then after sometimes you wash it off, then you are good to go. Then for the dry papaya leaves, then for the yellowish papaya leaves, for the yellow papaya leaves, what they are going to do is that it is good for treatment of anemia, that is shortage of blood. If you have shortage of blood, yes, if you have shortage of blood, what they are going to do is to get your yellow papaya leaves. Look for the one that the color is yellow. Get your yellow papaya leaves. And the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to boil it. Wash it very well. After washing it, you boil it. After boiling it, you'll be taking it 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup in the night, or you can take it once a day. Once a day. If you can do this for 3 months, that lack of blood, you will not see lack of, you will not experience lack of blood again after taking this tea for 3 months. After taking it for 3 months, lack of blood, just get this, wash it very well, wash it thoroughly. After washing it, you boil it. After boiling it, you strain it, then you have your tea. It is good for anemia. Yeah, lack of blood. So guys, that's the end of today's video. In my next video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of papaya seed and the fruit, the benefits of papaya seed and papaya fruit. So if you find this video interesting and you don't want to miss any of these videos when I upload, just click on the subscribe button. Just click on the subscribe button. Then after subscribing, you turn on your post notification bell, so once I upload, you get notified to watch the video. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any question, just leave your question in the comment section. Your question will be answered, and see you in my next video.